Got dragged on. Excellent length. A little bit of movement.
C for cake. C for cake. D for dog. D for dog.
Now I know my
E for elephant. E for elephant. F for fish. G for goat. H for hen. H for hen. I for input. I for input. J for jug. J for jug.
हेलो फ्रेंड्स, हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो सब्सक्राइब करें, बेल आइकन को प्रेस करें।
L for log. L for log. M for mango. M for mango. N for net. N for net. O for orange. O for orange. P for pen.